I'm gonna make some dough. It's gonna be fresh dough. I'm just gonna make it and put it in. It's taken 45 minutes to make the dough. This has not had a rest. Just made it in there. No proof. It's just been weighed because I'm going to be doing a super fast process of making it and cooking it. It's 403. I'm just waiting for it to go up a bit more. Ready to go in the Ninja. Let's just do the wiggle test. Hey, well done. Okay, it says add food. Let us add the food. Let us add the pizza. I'm just going to check the stone temperature. Yeah, okay. That's good. Considering this oven says it only goes up to 370, that's pretty fantastic. Let's get this in. Bye, pizza. See you in 2 minutes. Do I start? Add food. Start. So it's counting down, but I will check on it in a minute, and it normally takes 2 minutes in here. So I'm going to check on it in a minute because it does cook it very quickly. It's like I can't hear a fan or anything. I don't know if it's got a fan. It does, it has got a fan, but I can't hear it. I can hear it crinkling in there. I'm definitely going to check on it after 1 minute, even though I said bye to it for 2. I'm not that confident in myself that I will get it cooked in 2 properly. So I'm going to check in it. Yep, let's do another one. Oh no, let's done it again. Do I press start? I think I'll check on it in 30 seconds. I'm so like wanting to turn this. This is unusual for me to just stand here. Like I feel like I'm putting it at risk by not turning it right now. I'm gonna check. Can't not check. Oh my gosh, it just cooks so well. Right, the reason why it's not cooked as well at the front is because I keep opening the door. If I hadn't opened the door, it would have cooked at the front at the same time as the back. So it's my fault. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I don't know how this oven does it. It's just how? I just don't understand this oven, how it can do that. How does it do the front? I opened the door so many times. Like I left all the air out. I did all the bad things you shouldn't do. But I just want to show you like how well I think the pepperoni's cooked on there. Very different to the other cheese I used, which was the block mozzarella. As you can see here, the block mozzarella did kind of go a bit brown on the top, so that's my mozzarella's fault. But with the buffalo mozzarella, look, you can tell it's like cooked it amazing. Right, I gotta turn it so you can see. I get so excited with this oven. I love this oven. I love this oven so much. And look at the base. I made the dough an hour ago. I didn't proof it. I didn't give it a cold proof. I didn't give it a warm proof. I just made it in the bread maker. What? Oh, we gotta taste this now. I'm just gonna cut this up. I just gotta find somewhere to cut this up. Oh, did you just do what I saw you do? That's disgusting. That is so bad, you wicked doggy. I'm not gonna eat that bit. Okay, what have we got here? What feast awaits us? Right, don't lick it. I know it's at your eye level. Don't even think about it. Good boy. Right, let's cut this with one hand. Watch your nose. can't believe that it cooks this so fast. And so, without turning it, it's just... Oh my gosh! What? Oh God, I got a bee! Oh, hi honeybee! Okay, let's give this a try. Let's give this a try, Kai. Let's try this. This is so blinking good. I'm gonna chomp away. You're so good. He's so good. He never like if I left a whole chicken on the kitchen table, he wouldn't touch it and walked away. He wouldn't touch it. He never touches the food. He's so good. He's such a good boy. I can have it. Chomp, 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 chomp. I'm being mean now, aren't I, Kai? Chew, 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 chew. Want it? Oh gosh, I said it. He's coming. Hang on then. Oh, come, a tiny bit. Yeah, don't bother to get all your legs off the chair. Just sit half off. Oh, hang on a minute, mate. What position are you in? This is pizza position. The whole blinking thing. This was only at 412. Look at it. God, I love this oven. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that, it's even bubbled up there. I'm going to get told off by all the healthy doggy viewers, but this is a real treat because we don't do this very often with you having my food. You're pretty good. You just eat your dog food. You look healthy. So this oven is so amazing to cook with. I really love it. It's going to be my go-to oven for the summer now because it's so easy to use, and my family can use it because they don't enjoy turning as much as I do, so they use this one. No turn pizza is the way they're going to go this summer, so I will be using it as well. I think it's so versatile with the smoking and the pellets, giving it that lovely smoke aroma, and the roasting, and so there's nothing that I wouldn't want from this oven this summer. It's just a fantastic oven to use, so I'm so super happy I bought the Ninja. As I said, it's my go-to pizza oven for this summer. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. God, there's a spider in front of my face. Gosh, I'm glad I didn't see you when you were really close.